Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code Studio. In this video we will see how you can create your first project in Android Studio, and run it on your own mobile, so let us start the video. First you need to install Android Studio on your PC or laptop. You can download it from official website for free. Then open it. You will see welcome window. Now click on create new project option. Then in project template, select empty activity, and click on next. Configuration window will get opened. Enter your project name, for example, my first app. Then select language Java. Then click on Finish. Wait for the Gradle build to finish successfully. And this is default Java code of your main activity. On the left side you will see app folder. Here you will find all files regarding to your current project. This is the location of your Java file. And this is the location of your layout file, that is XML file. By opening the XML file, you can see the activity layout in design view. Here we can see how our app looks like. This is XML code, and here you can edit your design. Let us do some changes in this side. Hello World ID default text view. Let us edit it.
Audio Jungle.
We will add text color. This is text view. See the colors and the text. Next we will add text size.
Audio Jungle.
This is layout width and height of text view. You can change these value as per need. Also we can change the text background. This is your app name, which will be visible on top of your app. You can change it by editing here.
Audio Jungle.
This is color.xml. Here we can add color and use it. This is theme.xml. This will decide how our app theme will look like. Now we are ready to run app, but first set up the mobile. Connect your mobile using USB cable on your PC or laptop. Then go in settings. Select the developer options. Turn on the developer options, and then turn on USB debugging. Select your mobile name and then click on Run. After successful build, you can see the output on your device. Thank you for watching the video.